Welcome back, dear viewers. Here in this video, you can see the continuation of the grammar chapter determiners. Well, let's focus on possessives. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. The possessives are used to show possession. For example, he is my uncle. Our neighbor is a rich man. Your daughter is beautiful. What is her age? What is his name? Do you know its value? Their house is very big. Ordinals refer to first, second, next, last, etc. The ordinals show what position something has in a series. For example, he is the first boy who has joined the school. I shall meet him the next week. He is the last man to help you. Cardinals refer to 1, 2, 3, 100, etc. Cardinals are ordinary numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. They show how many of something there are. For example, there were only 10 boys in the class. She lived for 80 years. He has 2 daughters. I met 3 young men at the station. He balanced himself on 1 foot. Hope you are clear about the difference between ordinals and cardinals. Well, now let's focus on quantifiers. Quantifiers are much, some, several, a lot of, both, all, etc. The quantifiers refer to the quantity of things or amount of something. The examples are as follows. There were some people at the airport. Here, some is a quantifier. Plenty of people would like to have your job. Plenty is a quantifier. They didn't make much progress. Much is the quantifier. There is no milk in the bottle. No is a quantifier. There is enough powder in the can. Enough is the quantifier. I have forgotten some of the details. Some is the quantifier here. They had enough guests already. Enough is the quantifier. All children enjoyed the show. All is the quantifier here. There was little water in the jug. Little is the quantifier. It has not made any difference to me. Any is the quantifier here. He drank a lot of water. A lot is the quantifier here. Hope you clearly understood about the quantifiers. Now let's focus on the distributives. Each, every, either, neither are called as distributives. Distributive determiners refer to each single member of a group. Each is used when we talk about the members of a group individually. And every is used when we make a general statement. Both are followed by a singular countable noun. For example, he met each guest. The minister visited every flood affected area. I agree with every word he says. Each request will be considered. Either is used to talk about two things, but usually indicates that only one of the two is involved. For example, either of the two girls should come here. It means any one among the two girls should come here. Neither is the negative of either. For example, neither member came to attend the meeting. It means no one came to attend the meeting. Either can also mean two. For example, people stood on either side of the road, which means both sides of the road. Neither is followed by a singular noun. For example, neither boy said anything. Neither answer is correct. So when we use neither, we have to make sure that neither is followed by a singular noun. The last type of determiners are interrogatives. The interrogative determiners are used for asking questions. So what, which, whose, etc. are called as interrogatives. Examples: what subjects are you studying? Which color do you like the most? Whose house is this? Hope you clearly understood about determiners and its 9 types with various examples. If you have benefited, like, share and comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.